Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke with Melcher Construction, and we're here on another job in San Clemente, California, where we're updating a whole bunch of stuff on the inside of the existing residence and building a brand new addition out back. Couple pretty cool, unique details on this one. Here in the master bedroom, we've changed out all the floors and repainted everything. But this was just kind of a wasted space where there was just a drywall wall. And what we did is we made the most we could out of that recess and built a bunch of custom cabinetry and shelves here, which came out really nice, and our customer was totally stoked about it. So this is all custom millwork that we did. And then the main reason that she called us in on this job was to remodel this master bathroom. We're gonna take out this wall right here that separates the shower area and the vanity. Then the shower is going to be relocated to this back wall, and the toilet is going to be moved here in this corner, and new vanity and lighting here. She's an older lady and wanted to start thinking about the future, so we built this beautiful curbless shower so that you can just seamlessly walk right in here without having to step over a curb. A couple really nice details. We did all pretty much white and gold with this linear shower drain, and then top of the line Kohler fixtures with all the handheld accoutrements and all that. So everything came out really nice on this bathroom. This is the master.
I'm Bibarang, and I have the privilege to be a client of Luke Melcher. I chose to have my bathroom renovated. It's about time. It's been 30 years, over 30 years now, and I just want to see a new look in our little home here. It met my expectation. I was happy and delighted. It brings me joy coming to a home that is, you know, it's just like a new beginning in my life.